Welcome to the annual jumping contest. The winner gets a power up. Are you ready? First up, let's go. Oh, amazing. That's good. That's good. Oh, bravo. That's a new record. Oh, just short. Sorry, little guy. Ooh, he's way short. New guy, nice try. Ooh, that's a new record. We have a winner, and the power up goes to you.
Now I can bite harder.
Oh, he just bit through that table. That's amazing. The next contest, breaking the table. Who's strong enough to do it?
Me, I think so.
Let's do this.
Yeah, ow.
Nice try. Back of the line. Ooh, that was good. Good power, not strong enough though. What you got? Ooh, come on, one hit, man. One hit, man. Get to the back of the line. It all comes down to one. Will he be just as good as he was at jumping? Oh, he broke that thing so fast I barely could see it.
Yeah. I got more
one.
power.
Yes, he's the one.
I have the power.
What new power did you unlock this time?
I have walking on water and walking on lava technique.
Ooh, I love it. Ooh, those are some good flips. Ooh, nice teamwork.
Ow, I can't see.
He can't see. Get him.
You know we can hear. We can also see with our hearing. We can also turn into bats. Well, we haven't unlocked that yet.